Testing AI agents is difficult. You need diverse, realistic inputs, as well as a whole array of evaluation judges to understand how your agent behaves. Meet Know Your Agent, or KYA in short, an intelligent testing suite built right into Deepchecks. You'll start by connecting your deployment. Just add your endpoint and request configuration. Within minutes, your live system is wired to Deepchecks. Next, create meaningful evaluation data. You can upload your own datasets or bring data points from your production environment. You can also generate the data within the Deepchecks platform. Describe what your system does, and KYA generates diverse, realistic scenarios designed to stress real-world behavior, edge cases, multi-step flows, and tool-heavy interactions. Execution happens directly in your codebase. You can immediately execute your datasets against your real agent system using Deepchecks SDK. Through automatic instrumentation of frameworks like LangGraph and Google ADK, every trace, tool call, and LLM span is logged to Deepchecks. Once logged, KYA reconstructs the full behavioral story of the system. On the overview screen, each agent has its own profile that includes system metrics, performance scoring and details, tool usage and success rates, and LLM behavior breakdown. If the same tool is used by multiple agents, you can immediately compare how each one performs. No guessing, no manual trace digging. When something fails, you don't just see that it failed, you see why. Failure mode analysis now works at every level, from full version comparison and analysis, to a single agent, to a specific tool, down to an individual property within that tool. That means faster root cause analysis, clearer ownership, and safer iteration cycles. Know your agent, from just an API to a detailed analysis of agent strengths and weaknesses in just a few minutes.